Welcome to English ESL Way with Matika, and in today's lesson of everyday English verbs you learn how you can make the bed. So after learning, I wish you would use them while you make your own bed. So let's get started. First of all, I put the bottom sheet on the mattress. There are two types of bottom sheet. It could be fitted sheet or it could be a flat sheet. So if you have a flat sheet, you need to tuck it under the mattress, and if you have the fitted sheet, you need to slip it over the mattress, right? Then what do? Then I tuck the top sheet over my bottom sheet under the mattress at the foot of the bed. So at the head, at the foot. Okay, so where we are tucking? We are tucking under the mattress at the foot of the bed. Then what do? I pull the top sheet tight. I'll tell you what is the meaning of this tight adverb here later in the chapter. Then I spread the blanket over the bed. Then if I find the wrinkles in my blanket, I smooth it out. Alright? You do the same. Don't leave the wrinkles. Then I spread a bedspread over the bed. So first of all, I put the bottom sheet, then the top sheet, a blanket and a bedspread, right? What do I do next? I fluff up the pillows and then I lay them at the head of the bed, not at the foot of the bed, okay? Then what do? I pull the bedspread over the pillows to avoid any kind of bugs to get in my bed, right? And then if I see any wrinkles in my bedspread, I smooth it out, okay? So the verbs are fluff up, have, lay, make a bed, pull, put, slip, smooth out, spread, tuck. And the nouns are bed, bedspread, blanket, bottom, foot, head, mattress, pillow, sheet, top. Now I would like to drag your attention to the word tight I used. So to pull something tight is to pull it is tight. When you lie on a bed, you put your head near the head of the bed and you put your feet near the foot of the bed, right? And a pillow goes inside a pillowcase, right? So the corners of a fitted sheet are made to fit over the corners of a mattress, and fitted sheets are used only as bottom sheets, not as top sheets. You smooth out a sheet by removing wrinkles, right? So these were the things you need to pay attention to. Please keep studying hard. Bye-bye.